Are you tired of those pesky storage almost full notifications on your iPhone? To check your current iCloud storage usage, follow these steps. Launch the Settings app and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of options. Here you can see storage space. Tap on Manage Account Storage. Here, you can have a complete overview of the apps that have consumed your iCloud storage so far. How to identify and manage large files in iCloud. Open the Settings app and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Choose iCloud. Select Recommended for you. For more options, read our blog, link in the description. Else, see other methods. How to optimize iCloud backups on iPhone. Launch the Settings app and tap on your Apple ID. Select iCloud. Tap the Manage Account Storage option. Scroll and select Backups. Choose a backup that you do not require anymore. Here I selected iPhone. Review the apps included in the backup and toggle off any apps that you don't need to backup. Alternatively, you can remove the entire backup file by tapping Turn Off and Delete from iCloud. If you end up deleting your existing backup, the overall iCloud backup will stop. How to delete files and documents from iCloud. Open the Files app. Access the Browse menu in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-dot icon and tap Select. Choose the file or folder you want to remove. Finally, hit the Delete button. Select Delete. It will still be available in Recently Deleted folder for 30 days. How to manage iCloud photo library on iPhone. Access the Photos app, open the library at the bottom of your screen and tap the All Photos option. Hit Select. Now, choose one or more photos or videos you want to delete. Finally, tap the Delete button. Hit Delete Photo. How to offload apps to free up space in iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll and tap on General. Select iPhone Storage. You'll see a list of apps sorted by the amount of storage they are using. Scroll and tap on an app that you want to offload. Tap Offload app. Offload app to remove the app from your device, but keep its data in iCloud. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials.